We, the students of Dune's International School, would like to participate in the Zayed Sustainability Prize Award because our school leadership is in full support to the sustainability movement. Because of the integration of this education and to prove the statement of the renewable energy in the small sizes can still make a big impact in life when accumulated.
Our idea is to teach the farmers and students of UAE about the value of sustainable energy, especially to the ones on the outskirts and off the grid, to stop using petrol and diesel generators and start using our solar kids power to power their water pumps in the farms and lights. We also have a monitoring tool to track how much energy is being generated and how much is being consumed in automatically generated reports.
This is why we thought of implementing the first Dune Solar Kit program in our community. It comprises of a solar panel, which is flexible solar panel of 500 watt and a lithium battery consisting of 2 kilowatt to store all the clean energy needed. These kits are very simple, easy to unbox and assemble.
We will reduce carbon footprints in the farms of UAE by providing them clean, free sources of energy, making agriculture sustainable. And we will also add to the knowledge of the farmers about the importance and advantages of using sustainable development.
We help the students experience the sustainable water and energy by converting 6 classrooms into LED, which will fully work on solar energy.
We hope that with this in-school implementation of 2 of our kits, we can spread the knowledge of new science of clean off-grid energy and use, and then further spread this in the UAE by running seminars.